The secret to the best pandan chicken. Hey, what if I told you the secret to the most incredibly juicy, fragrant, and crispy pandan chicken wasn't just in the marinade, but in a simple, game-changing step that most recipes skip? Today, we are making the ultimate Malaysian-style pandan chicken. Stick with me, and I promise you, it will be the best you will ever taste. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hankering. I'm Hanker, and from my kitchen here in Sydney. We are about to dive into one of my all-time favorite Southeast Asian dishes, pandan wrapped chicken, or gai hor bai toi as it's known in Thailand. Now, if you're new to this beautiful long green leaf, let me introduce you. This is pandan. It's often called the vanilla of Southeast Asia, and it has the most incredible sweet, fragrant, almost grassy aroma. We use it in everything from cakes and dessert to savory dishes. So why do we wrap chicken in it? Well, the pandan leaf acts like a natural aromatic puzzle. As the chicken cooks, the leaf protects it, keeping it incredibly moist and juicy. But more importantly, it infuses the meat with its unique sweet fragrance. It's a flavor you just can't get any other way. And today, I'm showing you the two-stage cooking method, steam, then fried, that guarantees a perfectly cooked, non-greasy result every single time. First off, let's check out what ingredients that we need for today. 400 gram chicken tenderloin, soy sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, ABC sweet sauce, sugar, coriander powder, corn flour, pandan leaf, mortar and pestle. For aromatic, we have lemongrass, garlic, red onion, ginger, turmeric, coriander root. Let's prepare the flavorful marinade. The foundation of any amazing pandan chicken is a seriously good marinade. We are not holding back on the aromatics, and we are going to build our flavor paste the traditional way. We have mortar and pestle. You can absolutely use a blender for this, but there's something so satisfying about pounding the aromatics by hand. It releases the oils and fragrances in a way that is just different, more intense. First in is our homegrown lemongrass, the white part. We normally started with the toughest aromatic first. It will take some time to pound our lemongrass. The tips here is often cut into smaller pieces and then only started to pound it. Look at how my son did it for the very first time. It's a nice way that, you know what, give him a lollipop and ask him to help me to do the pounding as well. But we're looking to bruise and crush the lemongrass until it releases a strong citrusy aroma. This means it's ready. Scoop it aside and let's continue pounding the rest of our aromatic, such as 2 cloves garlic, 1-inch piece turmeric, 3 pieces thinly sliced ginger. Now we pound. This is your workout for the day. We are going to pound this into a smooth, incredibly fragrant paste. Your kitchen is about to smell absolutely amazing. Don't know why, the sound of this is really satisfying. What an ASMR. Next in is our coriander root. It's roughly 1 tablespoon coriander root. If you couldn't find it, you can replace it with some coriander powder. Obviously, coriander root is our secret weapon in Southeast Asian cooking. It has a much deeper, earthier flavor than the leaf. We pound it until it's finely crushed. Well, the last aromatic is our quarter of red onion. Become a really juicy paste, better for us to do the marinade. This is the easiest to pound. Let's fast forward it. While pounding, let's make some music. Finally, let's mix all the powdered aromatics and mix that all together. If you're new to my channel, welcome! Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out any upcoming delicious recipes. Next, let's move on to our chicken. Today we're using 400 grams of chicken tenderloin. Wash and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now let's marinate our chicken. In a bowl, let's put in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of premium oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of ABC sweet sauce, dash of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of brown coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, or you can replace it with cornstarch. Lightly mix it. Pour over that incredible marinade that we pounded earlier and mix that all together using the 2 spoons or your hand to massage all the marinade into every nook and cranny. Cover it up and let it marinate for at least an hour. But if you have the time, I will highly recommend you to let it sit overnight in the fridge. It's a total game changer. The flavor will be on another level. The next day, the art of the pandan wrap. Our chicken is marinated and smelling incredible. Now for the fun part, wrapping our little chicken parcels. This might look tricky, but I promise, once you do 1 or 2, you will get the hang of it. Make sure you also get ready with the toothpicks so that you can seal the parcel later on. Take 1 clean pandan leaf. We're going to place 2 pieces of our marinated chicken near one end of the leaves. Now, simply roll the pandan leaf over the chicken, wrapping it up securely like a little present. To hold it all together, we will pierce a toothpick right through the middle of the wrap parcel. Make sure that pierce in between the chicken and the leaf. Let's wrap the pandan chicken again. Start by trimming the end of the pandan leaf and wiping them clean. Take 1 leaf out, slip 2 pieces of marinated chicken into the loop. Hold it snug with your fingers. Wrap the long end of the leaf around the back and under the chicken. Then cut it off the excess and tuck it through using the toothpick. It should look like a neat little parcel. Don't worry if it's not perfect. The leaf will hold everything together during steaming and frying. Let me show you another angle how I wrap the pandan chicken. Place 2 pieces of marinated chicken near one end of the pandan leaf. Now, simply roll the pandan leaf over the chicken, wrapping it up securely like a little present again. To hold it all together, we will pierce a toothpick tied through the middle of the wrap parcels. So make sure that you cut off the excess of the pandan leaf and wrap it tightly, pierce through using a toothpick over the meat and the leaf together. Make sure that it's securely tight. Look at them. Wow, that's it. One perfect little pandan parcel ready to go. Don't worry if they are not all identical. The rustic homemade look is part of the charm. Okay, here's the secret to the best pandan chicken. We are going to steam them first. Get your steamer water to a rolling boil. Carefully place a plate of pandan chicken inside, cover it, and steam them over a medium heat for just 4 minutes. That's all they need. Why? Steaming gently cooks the chicken all the way through in just a few minutes, keeping it incredibly juicy. It also allows the pandan leaf to fully infuse its flavor and aroma deep into the meat. This means when we go to the fry them, we're not trying to cook raw chicken. We're just fresh frying for the final crispy texture. After remove them from the steamer, use some paper towel to dry it out before you deep fry them. Else you will have trouble getting the oil spill everywhere to your face, hand, and everywhere. Now for the grand finale, let's get this crispy. Heat up some oil in a frying pan or a wok over a medium heat. You can shallow fry or deep fry, really up to you, whatever you're comfortable with. We are only going to fry this for about 2 minutes per side. We are just looking for that beautiful golden brown color and crispy texture on the outside of the pandan leaf. Remember, the chicken inside is already perfectly cooked and juicy during the steaming process. Once the pandan chicken becomes golden brown color and crispy texture on the outside of the pandan leaf, remove them from the hot oil and dry it onto the paper towel. And there you have it, perfectly cooked golden brown crispy pandan wrapped chicken. The aroma is just out of this world. Sweet, fragrant, savory, everything you want. This is the best part. When you unwrap it, steam pillow out. The steam that comes out is pure pandan perfume. And look at the chicken inside. It's glistening, juicy, and it's perfect. Let me taste it. Wow, that's incredible. The outside of the leaf is crispy and the chicken inside is so tender and packed with flavor from the marinade. You get the lemongrass, the garlic, the sweetness, and then the beautiful fragrant pandan flavor that just ties it all together. This is a must try. So, the secret is out. The 2-stage steam then fry method is the key to the juiciest, crispiest, and most flavorful pandan chicken. I really hope you give this recipe a try. Here's recap my Malaysian style pandan chicken recipe, or you can go to hankery.com for printout recipe. For all my fellow bakers in Australia, don't forget to check out my online shop, hankery.com/shop, for all your sourdough baking needs. The link is in the description box below. If you love Southeast Asian recipe, why not check out my next video, how to make authentic Malaysian curry chicken from scratch. This isn't just another curry chicken recipe, it's my family treasure Malaysian curry chicken family recipe. If you love this straight to the heart of Malaysian flavor, please give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the Hankery channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out any upcoming recipe.